Despite the Samsung S22 Ultra being discontinued, I strongly believe that this phone still deserves a lot of attention today. This is because it definitely still has significant potential to offer high-level performance, all without breaking the bank. So, in this short video, I want to show you its main features to understand why it might be the ideal choice for those seeking a satisfying experience without necessarily resorting to the latest expensive models. The first thing to consider is the aesthetics, which, in my opinion, still retains a considerable charm. The display edges give it an elegance and modernity even though they're not present in the new S24 Ultra. Additionally, the build materials are undoubtedly high quality as the device holds up well against wear and aging, maintaining its original beauty. Even the buttons and components remain functional as on the first day of use. It's worth noting that the 6.8-inch display adds to its size and weight, which might not be ideal for those who prefer more compact and manageable devices. But despite its large dimensions, the Samsung S22 Ultra's AMOLED display is truly impressive. The detail rendering is extraordinary whether you're watching videos, movies, viewing photos, or playing video games. Every image is satisfying and the brightness is high enough to ensure clear viewing even under direct sunlight. Another special feature is that the display's refresh rate is 120 Hz. While not a fundamental detail, it significantly contributes to making the high-end phone usage experience extremely pleasant. Moreover, by purchasing the Samsung S22 Ultra, we're literally getting extraordinary power in our hands. The processor effortlessly handles every application and multitasking, even in the most demanding activities, allowing us to keep up with Samsung's innovative features. Furthermore, it has also received the update to the new Samsung One UI 6, introducing new improvements and features, all accompanied by good fluidity and responsiveness. This is a big step forward considering the issues the device had at launch. However, bear in mind that updates are only guaranteed for 4 years, unlike the S24, which promises updates for 7 years. This means that we'll probably only have 2 more years of support, and as of now, it hasn't received AI features and may never receive them. We'll see what Samsung decides to do. It's a shame, but it certainly won't make the phone obsolete in the short term. Another surprising and incredibly useful feature is the included S Pen. If we take some time to learn its functions and convenience it offers, it significantly enhances the phone usage experience, allowing us to fully utilize all of Samsung's functions. I've created a guide on the best features about it. If you're interested, you can check it out in my videos. This is particularly evident when we use it in combination with the Note app, where we can take notes or draw with extreme simplicity, expanding our possibilities for expression and creative work. Moving on to the highlight of this phone, its cameras, we can say they are still extremely impressive. The Samsung S22 Ultra has a whopping 4 cameras, with the main one boasting 108 megapixels, ensuring stunning details and bright, high-quality photos. The same excellence is reflected in videos, with consistently high quality that even allows for recording in 8K as well as 4K. However, it's worth noting that this results in sizable files, so if you enjoy storing many photos and videos in your phone's memory, I recommend considering a storage capacity higher than 128 GB, as it might be a bit limited for your needs. Overall, the features of the Samsung S22 Ultra still maintain a top-of-the-line standard, including connections like Wi-Fi, data reception, and phone calls, which are reliable and perform well. As for the only drawbacks I've noticed, I still experienced slight and sporadic overheating, but perhaps it needs adjustment due to the recent software update. Another weak point, at least in my model, is the battery life, which doesn't hold up particularly well under heavy use. I want to clarify that my model is equipped with the Exynos processor, which may entail some minor disadvantages compared to the Snapdragon. In conclusion, I believe the Samsung S22 Ultra remains a valid phone for this year. It's a beneficial option for those who desire a device that doesn't prematurely age in terms of design and functionality, and that provides high technology and quality enough to still compete with recent models on the market. All this is made even more enticing by the fact that you can get it at a favorable price without having to spend a lot of money. And with that, we wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future tech updates. See you next time.